Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a bike that's a legend in the off-road world, a true stepping stone for riders of all ages and skill levels, the Yamaha TT-R125LE. This isn't some high-strung, intimidating machine, it's a friendly, approachable, and incredibly fun trail bike that's perfect for beginners while still offering plenty to enjoy for more experienced riders. Whether you're just starting out, looking for a reliable weekend trail companion, or want a bike to share the joy of off-roading with your family, the TT-R125LE deserves a serious look. At the heart of the TT-R125LE lies a reliable, air-cooled, 124 cubic centimeters SOHC 4-stroke engine. This engine is known for its smooth, predictable power delivery, making it incredibly forgiving for new riders. It's not about raw power or blistering speed. It's about providing a manageable and confidence-inspiring riding experience. The TT-R125LE's chassis is designed for stability and comfort. It features a sturdy steel frame, a telescopic front fork with 7.1 inches of travel, and a rear shock with 6.6 inches of travel. The suspension is tuned to be on the softer side, which is perfect for absorbing bumps and rocks on the trail. The TT-R125LE is designed with practicality and user-friendliness in mind. The seat is comfortable for long rides, the handlebars are well positioned, and the controls are easy to reach and operate. One thing to note is that the TT-R125LE still uses a carburetor instead of fuel injection. While this makes it simpler to maintain, it can sometimes be a bit more finicky in varying temperatures and altitudes. The Yamaha TT-R125LE is a true classic in the off-road world. It's a bike that has introduced countless riders to the joy of trail riding. Its smooth power, comfortable handling, and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced riders alike. So, what do you think of the Yamaha TT-R125LE? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more motorcycle reviews and adventures. Thanks for watching.